some cute Instagram story ideas. So let's start.
Take any photo from your feed, change the background color, draw on both sides, then take dark pink color, select fourth option, draw the dots with yellow color, take another color, again search for pink flowers, and it's done.
Use underscore for straight line. Type the letters with different colors. You can also use highlights. Use different font here. Draw the outline by using pink dots. And it's done. Use clouds for the decoration. Place the highlighted font above the text. And it's done. Draw the zigzag line with blue color. And then erase the line from the middle. Draw two horizontal lines. And then place the written part on the top of the line. Yellow dots to make attractive, and it's done. First change the background color. Then erase the middle part. Use red color for highlight. Then search for Polaroid. Use yellow dots under each letter. And it's done. So this is all about Instagram story ideas, and thank you for watching my video.